Everyone, we have to discussing about valuation problem. So first read the problem. A 3 stories building is standing on a plot of land measuring 800 square meters. The plinth area of each story is 400 square meters. The building is of RCC framed structure and future lifespan may be taken as 70 years. The building fetches a gross rent of rupees 1500 per month. Work out the capitalized value of the property on the basics of 6% net yield. For sinking fund is 3%. Compound interest may be assumed. Full stop. Cost of the land may be taken as 40 rupees per square meters. Other data required may be assumed suitably. So, 3-story building was constructed in the plot of 800 square meters. Each story span 400 square meter plinth area. So, the building structure is RCC framed structure. The lifespan of the building was 70 years. So, ventures were per rent, grass rent 1500 rupees per month. So, work out the capitalized value. We can find out the capitalized value. Okay. Now starts the problem. Solution. What was given in the question? Details all are mentioned in the below. Gross income per year 1500 in 1500 per month. How many months are there? 12 months. So 15 into 12. Now the value is 18,000 rupees. Okay. That is the gross income. That is the gross income. Going per annum, assuming the suitable data in the question. So that's why adding all the outgoing values are mentioned. First, repairs at 1 by 12 gross income. So 1 by 12, 18,000 divided by 12, each 1500 rupees per month. Okay. Next, second outgoing municipal tax 20% of the gross rent. Gross rent is 18,000. So now 18,000 into 20 divided by 100. Now the value is 3,600 for the municipal tax usages. Next, property tax 5% of the gross rent. Next, third outgoing property tax 5% of the gross rent. Property tax gross rent లో నుంచి 5% ఇవ్వాలి మనం. అది గవర్నమెంట్కి మనం ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ట్యాక్స్ పే చేస్తాం, ప్రాపర్టీ ట్యాక్స్. సో 18,000 into 5 divided by 100. Now the value of the amount 900 rupees. Next, fourth outgoing insurance premium at half అంటే 0.5% of the gross rent. Okay. So now the gross rent value 18,000 into 0.5 divided by 100. Now the value is 90 rupees. Next, outgoing management charges at 6% of the gross rent. Gross rent was 18,000 into 6 divided by 100. Now the value is 10,080 rupees. Next, other miscellaneous charges at 2% of the gross rent. So now the gross rent value 18,000 into 2 divided by 100. So now the value is 360 rupees. So next, last item of the outgoing sinking fund required to accumulated the cost of the building. So in the question, so that's why I am assuming the 150 rupees per square meter. Okay. So plinth area 400 into 3 stories 3 into 150 rupees per square meter. Now the value is 1,80,000. Okay. So interest in 70 years 3% of the interest. Okay. Total outgoing values in 3%. So sinking fund formula SI divided by 1 plus I power of n. So value S value 18,000 into I value interest rate of the interest 3%, 3 divided by 100 divided by 1 plus I 0.3 divided by 100 in power of how many years of the lifespan of the building? 70 years. So now the value is I divided by 1 plus I power of n. That value is 0.0043. So S value 1,80,000. 1,80,000 into 0.0043. So now the value is 774 rupees. Okay. Total outgoings are added. Total outgoings one by one added. So first add the 1500 repairs plus and municipal tax 3600 plus and next 900 plus 90 plus and 1080 plus 360 plus and last 774 rupees. So total outgoing per annum 8304 rupees. Okay. So net annual rents is equal to 18,000 was the gross rent per year minus outgoings, all outgoings minus remaining the net annual returns. So first 18,000 minus all outgoings 8,304 rupees. So now the value of net income 9,696 rupees. Okay. So now calculating the capitalized value of the property. So formula was net income into year of purchase is equal to net income 9,696 rupees. I have already calculated we have. So into year purchase formula 100 divided by I. So year purchase percentage was given. So 6%. So 100 divided by 6. Okay. So now the value is capitalized value of the property 1,61,600 rupees. So the cost of the land per 40 rupees per square meter. So area total land plot measurement 800 square meters in each square meter carrying cost 40 rupees. So 800 into 40 the land cost 332,000 rupees. So total capitalized value of the property plus cost of the land. So 1,61,600 plus 32,000. So total value 1,93,600 rupees. The total whole property value 1,93,600. So the problem was completed. Thanks for watching.